on, man, stop it.
The middle name is Joseph, last name is Mosley. I come from the city they call East. He located on the street they call Pondiac, 1620. See, that's what I used to be.
Since you needed to they wanted to rap, so I got it out the way.
Got this rap out the way. All right.
No, I do thunder gospel. That's what I do. That's what he do. Thunder gospel. LB asked me what.
I'm just a producer on it.
Yeah, I do
Like
thunder
that
gospel. So, where there's thunder, there's rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Medicine mine. God told Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Medicine mine. God told Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time. Listen, back in the day, the Bible say that Noah told the people that it's gonna rain. They didn't listen, no, they paid no mind. And guess what happened? They got left behind. I'm telling you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Medicine mine. God told me, Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time. Here in this day, you'll see the Bible saying that Jesus told the people that it's gonna rain. If you don't listen, if you pay no mind, guess what's gonna happen? You'll get left behind. I'm telling you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Medicine mine. God told me, Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time it's gonna rain. Save my life. Hold on. And get down to cry. Because it's crazy poor. And say I just need more. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Medicine mine. God told me, Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Medicine mine. God told me, Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time. What by next time? What by next time? What by next time? What my man say, Jack and B.